Yeah. Well, good morning, good morning. Look at that. Still kind of unbelievable, huh? That I have a GTR. Let's see what that cold start. Oh, sweet. Yes, yes, yes. Man. So we got to do a few things this morning. We got to go to the bank. And I got to finish up some paperwork for this. And I'm going to take it past my boy's shop that does wheels and PPF, CWB. If you're local to my area, you know who they are. I'm going to take it over there because I have 2 spots on my PPF that are a little damaged or whatever. I'm going to get him to look at it, see what he can do. Probably had to take that whole thing off and rewrap it. But if you don't know what I'm talking about. So we have a spot right here. And there's barely a spot here. You can barely see. But yeah, so I'm gonna run to the bank first and then take this over to him because he hasn't even seen it yet. So I'm gonna get him to check it out, see what he thinks about getting that fixed. Yeah. When I get somewhere, you'll be able to I'll do a walk around so you can see what it looks like outside in the sun. Obviously it was in the parking garage when I picked it up, and then by the time I got home it was dark. So we get to the shop, we'll do a walk around in the car, plus you'll be able to see the mark better in the sunlight. I get my man Tony to look at it. Now we off to CWB. Just dropped all my paperwork off at the bank. Now we're straight. Well, other than DMV, but can't nobody do anything with the DMV right now. I never thought that I would be driving one of these, or I can't say driving, I'd say owning. I never thought I'd be owning one of these. I said it. I said I wanted one. I said I was gonna work hard to get one. I just didn't know it was gonna happen the way it happened and how fast it happened. I'm forever grateful, man. Everything that I've done or accomplished in life, I always said it. Like, man, I'm gonna do that, or I'm gonna get that, or whatever the case may be. And it always comes into play. I just put it in the atmosphere. I say, you know, I'm gonna make it happen. Most of the time I don't even have a plan of how I'm gonna make it happen, but I've been blessed and fortunate enough to be able to make the things happen that I say. So yeah, man, if you want something in life, you just gotta go get it. Like, don't let anybody steer you away from accomplishing your dreams or getting the things that you want out of life, because at the end of the day, it's your life, not theirs. So it doesn't really matter if they don't believe you, or they don't like the idea, or they say you can't do that. I love it when somebody tells me I can't do something, because then I work that much harder just to prove to myself that I can do it. I don't really care what they say, but when they give me that negativity, I take that and run with it. I use that as fuel, and I make things happen. At the end of the day, I just make things happen. Always determined to accomplish whatever I put my mind to. I work really hard. I play even harder. Sometimes that's a bad thing, but hey, you know, it is what it is. As long as you happy in life, man, because you only get one. Ain't no need in holding on to no negative. Ain't no need in moping around. Just live your life. Each and every day. Each and every day, live your life. Don't be doing nothing crazy and reckless. You know, especially if you got family. I got small kids at home, so, you know, I am a adrenaline junkie, but at the end of the day, I got to make sure that I make it home to my little ones. Because if something happens to me, they will have a fit. So we about to pull up to CWB, get this wrap looked at, and see what they say. Can it be fixed, or what's gonna happen here? Let's go in and see. Ugh. That's Tuna's truck. Lovely. Well, we made it back home from the shop. Got Tony to look at the car, and they're kind of booked up until January. So again, like I said, this is the spot on the PPF and right here. So he booked up until January, so he can't get me in until then. I'm also going to get him to retint the windows. I don't even know what this is. Maybe it's like 50%. I don't even know who would even do that. But I'm gonna get him to redo all of the windows. And now, guess I'm gonna install my other carbon pieces right here. So these pieces go on like this. So I'm gonna get these factory ones off, get the full carbon pieces on. See, they real carbon. It's not no fake me out joints. So we're gonna get these ones off, get these ones on, and see what it looks like. All right, so I got this one off, the factory piece. It's only double-sided tape on there. So now I just gotta continue to get the rest of this double-sided tape off. Then I can put some new double-sided tape on and put the carbon fiber piece on there. So I'm gonna have to get all this off, clean it up real good, put more tape, double-sided tape on there, and then put the carbon ones back on. But give you a quick idea, that's what it's gonna look like versus the plastic piece. So let me get all this double-sided tape off and get it all cleaned up and get the new carbon pieces on. Got this the microfiber. Let's try to clean up, get the rest of that double-sided tape off. Spray a little bit. Try to wipe that off. Make sure I don't get it on the PPF. I don't want to peel that off. Seems to work okay. Only used it a couple of times on some other stuff. Really should let it get on there and kind of sit and work its way, but sometimes you can just spray a little bit on a rag and wipe it off. I don't know, it's like, smells like oranges. So a little bit on there, let it sit on there. Wherever you're trying to remove the glue, see, it kind of wipes it right on away. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but wipe it right on off. You gotta use a little bit of pressure, but obviously you don't want to scratch the car or nothing. I actually have these actually came with screens for these pieces. I think it looks pretty cool, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the screens on also. So you just double-sided tape the screens on, just like that. And we're gonna wipe that joint down. Both pieces. Clean it all up. Alright, got it all taped up. This all cleaned up. Now, what we gotta do is stick it on. Make sure we get it stuck on there all the way around, nice and good. I think that looks so much better than the plastic piece. You know, this little plastic piece was on there before. Now you got the real carbon piece on there. Even got the little grills on the inside. I think it looks nice. Yeah, like it. Now here we are over here on the passenger side. I already got this side prepped. It's already taped up, already got the screens in. Now just gotta pull this side off, get it all cleaned up and stick it on. All right, got that all off. New one already got the tape all off. Vents are in. And then we just get this on. Just like we did the other side. Slide it up under there. Make sure it's all lined up. Alright, got that thing on there. Just gotta make sure we press it down real good so it sticks. And again, there's a plastic piece. That one's full carbon. Definitely looks way better. So I'm gonna get things cleaned up. It's gonna be it for this video. And as always, if you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe, hit the share button, and I'll catch you in the next video.